Hello guys, welcome back to Main Farm. Today is December 20th. This isn't a full day, but this is probably the 4th or 5th day of corn harvest. We haven't been getting full days in, but if all things go well, today should be a full day. Jacob got started probably around 8:45 this morning in the combine. He has almost 2 wagons filled already. This is that back one, just needs a little more and I'll take it back. And he is out on the headlands there on the tree line. We have a bad wet spot over there by the trees. And he said he about got stuck right there, which looks like he turned around. So it must still be pretty wet. Sorry about the wind, guys. Hopefully it's not too bad. So he's going. Last night we didn't get as far because we plugged it right down there about where I have 2 more wagons sitting. There was some down corn, and it was just not feeding into the head well. And then a whole bunch of down corn just went right through went to the combine and plugged it up real good. We had to squeal the belt. So spent, I don't know, a couple 2-3 hours getting it unplugged. So it was plugged pretty good. It was all the way at the back of the rotors. What we're running right now, the one row on the head likes to plug, so we're only going first gear. Variable speed, not quite wide open, and we're moving. The video, we were hauling ear corn, the corn across the road, that's all done. So that's amazing. We have the 2 top fields that had corn. One of them, the first top field, was a little bit moldy, but we think it was just at the tips, so it might have been birds or bugs or something that got to it at the tips. But overall it was pretty good. The first top field didn't yield quite as well as the second. I remember disking the second top field disced up a lot better. It's got more roll to it than the first one. There's 14, looking good. Had to plug her in this morning, it was in the 30s. She doesn't usually like to start in the 30s, so start in the 40s. He got this most of this done yesterday. This tops, and figured it was dry. We were working in the dark last night, so figured it was dry up here. It is. So I don't know if you can tell varieties here, but we have 2 different varieties in this field. You can tell that the one over there is kind of a white bleach look, and this one right here is much darker brown. So this is, I believe this is 116 and that's 117. And the 117 was planted at a different date than this. So we're not completely sure what the moisture is yet. We're thinking it's better than it was across the creek. So, but we should be able to put most of this corn in the wet bin, and we have ideas for drying that over winter and the spring. So hopefully those plans work out. But the goal today is get hopefully most of this big field done. And the only field we have left over here is on the other side of that tree line. It's another 12 acre field over there, and it also has 2 varieties there, but most of it's the first 116. And here he comes. Yeah, he's stopping well before the halfway point on the long rows here. but he's moving. And the corn looks pretty good. Standing on this side. Oh yeah, that looks really good. So finally a sunny day. Pretty much the past couple of days have been cloudy. So it's nice to get some sun finally. really soft right here. Yeah, he's backing up. I'll have to come back when it freezes. It's supposed to freeze after Christmas, so after Christmas harvesting. He's leaving track. Hey guys, well I just tested the corn. This first planting doing and first riser really well. I tested it 15.1. The second planting and second variety, a lot worse. We're getting about 2021. Like I said, most of this corn, this field should go in the wet bin. So we'll somehow try to keep it dry. We got by with 18% moisture corn all year, just got the fan on. So, but yeah, he kept going down there. It's bad. Got the combine pretty full, almost got stuck. So we have to stay light. We got to keep the combine light when we go down there. But still not quite enough to finish off the back wagon. So I got a little more to get in it. And so Jacob's come back up here, since he had to come all the way back up here to fill me up. He's just going to do some of this corn up here to just top me off. He might have enough when he comes back. But yeah, so this first wagon, good moisture. Second wagon, not so much. But that's how it goes.